Let's dive into how you can access the Valorant store on your phone. First, open your App Store or Play Store. In the search box, type Valor Store and search for it. Scroll down and find an app called Valor Tracker. Download and open the app. Once downloaded, open the app and you'll land on a page. Tap on the Sign In option, then tap Continue. Enter your Valorant account credentials and log in. You can also use Google, Facebook, Apple ID, or Xbox to log in. Once logged in, you'll have access to various information about your recent Valorant matches, including scores, ratios, and other statistics. The exciting part is that you can also access the Valorant store within the app. You can use your Valorant points to make purchases directly from your phone. Use your points to buy new skins, upgrade existing ones, and unlock additional customization options. And that's it. You now know how to easily access the Valorant store on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.